everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today we're talking about Durban Gen. Now that we know Phumeza have a twin sister, we are asking ourselves, how come she didn't know the whole time? The reunion between Phumeza and Phumzile has been a long time coming. The sisters were separated at birth, and while Phumzile's adoptive parents told her about Phumeza's parents hid that she has a twin, or she have a twin. The guys, as the sisters catch up on a lost time, they realize that they might look alike, but they have different personalities. Phumzile is typical extrovert. She is a sociable and outgoing, while Phumeza is reserved. Because they look so much alike, Phumeza and Phumzile don't conduct DNA test. They are certain that they are related. Phumzile and Phumeza are a mix of emotions. One can only imagine how surreal it is to not only find out that one has an identical twin, but to meet them too. All Phumeza and Phumzile want is to catch up on lost time. Well guys, unlike their characters, Tsidi and Tsidiso, which is Phumeza and Phumzile, are inseparable in real life. They both studied a Bachelor of Arts at the University of Zululand, and they graduated in 2020. The twins also auditioned for roles on Durban Gen, but it was Tsidi who was cast as Phumeza. So when the storyline emerged for Phumeza to reunite with her long lost sister, it was a no-brainer to cast Tsidiso as a troublemaker. Well guys, we are hoping they will be able to keep Phumeza's twin sister. Phela wa Durban Gen kuka come and go, so it might be the last time we see her on our screen. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.